Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Huawei Watch 4 Pro versus GT 5 Pro video. As you can see, we're on the Reddit page, and people say that Watch 4 Pro has LTE while GT 5 Pro is Bluetooth only. Depends on what you want. As you can see, this guy he just wants to work out and listen to music, so they prefer the GT series, which has more battery life. And then another person says that they prefer the GT Pro for one reason: it is smaller and less awkward. And then, as you can see, this person he is in favor of Watch 4 Pro because the display is bigger and it has a new sensor. I mean, the GT5, but it does not do much. And again, the GT5 Pro is thinner, but this guy he just likes the 4 Pro better. Things like that. So as you can see, another guy says that it has LTPO screen, it has normal AMOLED screen. 4 has a Qualcomm, Snapdragon chip, and the GT5 Pro is unknown. So basically, it depends on your preference. As you can see, people who just need the Bluetooth, they don't have much issues with it not having Wi-Fi. They are going for the GT5 Pro because it has better battery. But if someone prefers lower price and like uh, a bigger screen, and then that is why they will go for the 4 Pro. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.